Good morning, children. Today I'm doing exercise 8.2, question number 2. This is ABCD is a rhombus and PQRS are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD, and DA respectively. Show that the quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. What is given? Based on the given information, I made this figure. This is ABCD, which is a rhombus, and P, Q, R, and S are midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD, and DA. Okay. We have to prove PQRS is a rectangle. So given ABCD is a rhombus in which P, Q, R, and S are midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD, and DA respectively. So what we have to prove? To prove PQRS is a rectangle. For rectangle, first of all, we have to prove this a parallelogram. So now proof. See, in this triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, P and Q are midpoints of AB and BC respectively. See, this P is midpoint of AB and Q is midpoint of BC. So by midpoint theorem, we can say PQ will be parallel to AC and PQ is half of AC. This is by midpoint theorem. Similarly, in triangle, this ADC, S and R are midpoints of AD and DC respectively. Therefore, SR is parallel to AC. This line will be parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. Again, this is by midpoint theorem. So, from here, we can say therefore, this PQ is parallel to AC and SR is parallel to AC. So, can I say PQ is parallel to SR and here PQ is half of AC and SR is half of AC. So we can say PQ is equal to SR. So if one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, then we can say PQRS is a parallelogram. Now, if it is a parallelogram, now we have to prove that PQRS is a rectangle. I'm doing it here. See, what will be value of this angle O? This angle will be 90 degree. Okay. So, let's take this point L and M. Okay. Angle LOB, or you can write angle 1 and this is angle 2. Angle 1 is equals to 90 degree since diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, so earlier we have proved PQRS is a parallelogram. Now this is point N. Can I say NQLO or ONQL? Means this one. This is a parallelogram because this was already parallel to this, and this will be parallel to this. Now let's try to prove this. NQ is parallel to OL. Why? Because PQ was parallel to AC and NQ is part of this, and this ON will be parallel to LQ. ON will be parallel to LQ. This is by midpoint theorem. Okay, so ONQL ONQL is a parallelogram. Okay. If it is a parallelogram, then this is a parallelogram. See, this is a parallelogram. It means this angle, these two angles are opposite angles of parallelogram, and 1 and 2 will be equal. Therefore, angle 1 is equals to angle 2, opposite angles of parallelogram. And 1 is 90, so angle 2 will be, it implies that angle 2 is equals to 90 because angle 1 is 90 degree. So now this is angle of parallelogram. It implies that parallelogram PQRS is a rectangle. So this is how you will do this question for today. Thank you so much.